Welcome to our video, Passive Income Selling Blank Books on Amazon using KDP. In this video, we will explore the exciting world of generating passive income through selling blank books on Amazon. We will uncover the potential of Kindle Direct Publishing and show you how to create a profitable business from the comfort of your home. So, let's jump right in. Have you ever dreamed of earning passive income without constant effort? Selling blank books on Amazon is the perfect opportunity for you. With over 200 million active customers, Amazon provides an enormous marketplace for your products. And Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, makes it easy for you to become a self-published author. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your loved ones. With this powerful method, you can generate income 24/7, even when you're not actively working. It's time to turn your dreams into reality. The first step in selling blank books on Amazon is to choose a profitable niche. Explore different categories, such as journals, sketchbooks, planners, or even recipe books. Find a niche that matches your interests and has a high demand in the market. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your book. Design eye-catching covers that appeal to your target audience and format the interior pages accordingly. You don't need to be an expert graphic designer or writer to create a compelling blank book. To start selling your blank books on Amazon, you'll need to upload them to Kindle Direct Publishing. KDP is Amazon's self-publishing platform, allowing you to showcase and sell your books worldwide. Follow the simple steps on KDP to set up your book's details, pricing, and distribution preferences. Congratulations! Your books are now available for purchase on Amazon. Sit back, relax, and let the passive income start rolling in. As customers order your blank books, Amazon takes care of printing, packing, and shipping. You receive royalty payments for every sale without lifting a finger. And there you have it. Selling blank books on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing is a fantastic way to generate passive income. So why wait? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. Thank you for watching our video on passive income selling blank books on Amazon using KDP. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on creating passive income streams. Until next time, happy selling!